Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting together side by side for financial freedom. Isn't this the reason why we love cryptocurrencies? Take a look at this volume on JASMY, up almost 400% just in the last 24 hours alone. The price itself at some point was up 42%. Can you imagine being a JASMY bear in moments like these ones? I really cannot fathom it. But JASMY is looking pretty good at this point, and the indication that I'm getting from right across the board is, you know what, this may be the moment where we have that parabolic run. I know we've been talking about it for a very long time. It's very difficult to pinpoint when exactly it's going to be happening, but I would say that the conditions are looking very safe. In yesterday's video, I was actually pointing out the fact that, look, the RSI was indicating a bottom here for JASMY, because ever since October 2023, we have seen that the bottoms for JASMY have come right around when the RSI hits that 30 mark. So yesterday was no big difference, and really this made me happy because I was getting a little bit worried here for JASMY because we had lost the 200 daily moving average as a support. But today we came back with a very big candle known as the gold candle, because what happens here is that it makes you believe in a certain cryptocurrency, right? In this case, JASMY. So let me go ahead and show you what I think the JASMY price that is going to do immediate short term. But before we do that, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread the video just by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and people looking for JASMY content will now be able to find this video much more easily. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, because I do TA on JASMY and a number of other different altcoins on a regular basis. Let me not run my mouth too much, and I think that, yeah, in as much as we are pumping 40% today, it's going to be very much delusional to think that we're just going to be going without any sort of a pullback or anything like that. I believe the next resistance to break for JASMY is right around 4 cents to 4.2 cents. If we happen to clear this level, then we can easily be looking forward to 8.2 cents thereabout. But what is going to be happening below this resistance is really not important for me at this point, because I think it's very much guaranteed that JASMY is still in a very big net uptrend. If we also look at the JASMY price at long term and compare it to the Cardano price that we have been doing for more than 2.5 years at this point, we see that, yeah, each and every single time just feels like, you know what, any time here for JASMY is go time. So we've been talking about this ever since October 2024. And I know that for a lot of people, it gets boring because you've been talking about this thing for a very long time. But I mean, if somebody cannot wait for 3 months, for 6 months, for a price to do something like a 10x, 15x, well, I don't think that this market really is for you. But in any case, we can see here that Cardano was pretty much having the same structure that JASMY has had. I think I've done a lot of analysis on this. I think I'm actually sounding like a broken record. So this is the structure that I was copying here, JASMY, pasting it in here, and you can see exactly where we are. So I'm expecting JASMY to clear that 4 cents resistance, go to 8 cents. Then from there, we're now looking for take profits targets, because here I think we're not going to be staying very long in this bull cycle. So let me just grab my Fibonacci retracement 2 and show you where exactly I think I'm going to be taking profits here. I think 23 cents is a very good area to sell for me, and from there I'm looking at the high, which is 33 cents. And the last sale that I'm going to be making here for JASMY, which is my biggest price target, is right around 54 cents. And I think that's really great, because from where the price is sitting right now, it's more than a 15x. I think it's close to a 17x or anything like that. Yeah, so some people have got big price targets as high as something like, you know, $17, a dollar. I really wish them all the best, but of course I know that everybody's needs are going to be different. I'm also very much sure that some of you guys are going to be selling JASMY at 10 cents, even at 20 cents. You're going to be doing that. Great for you. As long as you put money in your pocket, I'm rooting for you. Another thing that we can see here is an indicator to say that JASMY is going to do something very soon is the Ethereum price, because we can see this inverse head and shoulder spread. I mean, slowly but surely it's becoming much more important that when ETH eventually accelerates, it's going to take everybody by surprise. The good thing about ETH right now is that JASMY actually has a very good chart against Ethereum. So if Ethereum maybe goes up by like 30%, JASMY is going to be going up by 4 times that. So you're going to be looking at a 120% pump. I mean, this is so amazing. You gotta love JASMY, right? Another thing to look forward to in terms of like trying to determine how fast can we be pumping here is the total 2, which is the market cap of cryptocurrencies excluding BTC. What we noticed back in 2021 is that we had this, you know, golden cross between the 100 weekly moving average and the 200 weekly moving average, and that really sent this market into a frenzy. Now, up until this point, yeah, a lot of people have been complaining about, you know, some cryptocurrencies moving. I think that we had not gotten the signal yet. By the end of this week, we're going to be having that confirmation. And I mean, in as much as history doesn't repeat, it actually rhymes a lot. So this is going to be an amazing moment. Jasmy is going to be profiting from that. I'm really wishing everybody all the best, right? Other than that, if you look at the BTC dominance, you can see that this thing is about to fall. When Bitcoin loses its market share, that money flows into altcoins like Jasmy, which also, by the way, has got a fantastic chart against BTC. So I mean, everything is looking good today. I mean, it's really just a great day, right? I want to thank you so much for watching the video. If you could please delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family. Then of course, if you want to be joining our private group on Discord, you can join via Patreon and we can be taking trades together. Thank you. Bye bye.